As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application, and you have quite a lot of templates which you can use. So these templates are very easy to use. All you have to do is pretty much upload a clear photo of your face or your full body, and you pretty much be able to use these templates. Some of them may require to upload two. As you can see here, a couple templates which you can use your face and your face. You pretty much be able to use this feature. Do keep in mind, you may need to require a pro subscription to pretty much use any one of these features here. So as well as you can see here, quite a lot of templates which you can use in the Christmas section, a lot of them. And if you do want to see more of a specific section, as you can see here, let's say for example the Merry Christmas section, you can tap on the arrow icon here and be able to see all the templates as it relates to this section here. And as well, you can scroll across and see other section as it relates to that template. So you can see here, a lot of them, you have the photo shoot option here, you have this one here, you have this one here, and as well, you have other sections which you can use as well. And these just require you to pretty much upload a picture of your face and you pretty much get these results. So that's pretty much it, as you can see here, and you will need a subscription to use this, so do keep that in mind as well. So not just templates to be able to use, you'll be able to create images using AI. You can tap on the text to image option here. We can also select the model at the top. Here you'll be able to select whichever AI model. The popular one is pretty much Gemini 3, which is the Nano Banana Pro, which is the new one. You have the normal Nano Banana option here as well. So either one you want to use, pretty much up to you. And as well, you can upload your pictures as reference. You can see here, and also you can upload up to 6 images. All of these are pretty much optional, as I said before. And as well, you can enter a prompt as to what you want to create. If you want to generate a cat, whatever the case is, pretty much enter it here. So that's pretty much it for that as well. And don't here be able to use these templates as well if you want to create something similar to these. Now that's really pretty much it for the text to video option. Yeah, this face swap option here as well. You can pretty much use this here. This can see here pretty much shows you how it works. All you have to do is just upload a video and you can do a face swap.
Hello everyone. Welcome to FaceHub, which is a powerful.
Also, have a voice swap option. All you have to do is just upload the video that you want to do the voice swap option for, and you'll be granted with a lot of voices which you can use. And as well, you have the AI remover. You can remove the background and so forth. As you can see here, this is pretty much what they're showing in the video. As you can see your AI video remover for this here. So very simple to use. All you have to do is tap on the upload option here, select the video that you want to use. It will pretty much redirect to your gallery section, and you just go ahead and select the video. So in the portrait, AI portrait option, it's pretty much similar to the template section here. Here you'll be able to select whichever one of these you want to use. Let's say for example this one here, and all you have to do is just upload a clear image of your face and you get these results. Crazy. So that's pretty much it for that here. So all of these are done already for you. The most you need to do is pretty much upload a clear image of your face or a full body, and you'll be able to use all of these templates. So to get a pro subscription, because if you don't have a pro subscription, you won't be able to use this application at all. So just tap on the pro option at the top here. This is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. I'm not sure what's up with the prices, but they're supposed to be offering prices as released their subscription and so forth. Not sure what happens to the prices. But if I do tap on continue, as you can see here, I'm not sure why it's not loading or anything. My internet connection is working properly. Developers, if you're watching this, may need to fix this option here as it relates to the subscription. But yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you out.